Hello guys, good morning to all of you. Welcome back to this channel. I hope you all are well. So today we will discuss about job openings from African country. So guys, if you are looking for a job in Africa country, then please keep watching this video till the end. Let's know what is the job openings, how to apply, and everything details we can discuss in this video. So let's start and let's know what is the job openings from Africa. So first of all, the job position is sales manager required in Central Africa. Hiring for a sales manager TMT Bars for a leading group to be based out at a Central Africa. The incumbent number one having 8 to 12 years of exposure into TMT bars, tiles, roofing, any building material preferred with African exposure. Interested candidate meeting the above criteria, please send your CV to the given official email ID. Let me highlight this email ID so that you can easily identify the email ID, and also you can also easily send your all documents to the given official email ID. So guys, let's move to next job. Next job is head of audit required in Africa. Hiring for a head of audit for a leading manufacturing group in Africa. The implement must be a CA or ICWA with 10 to 15 years of exposure into handling audit of entire manufacturing. Second, African exposure not mandatory. So guys, this is also very high skilled jobs. You should have the proper experience and proper qualifications to apply for this job. So if you are interested to apply and if you are really eligible for this job to work as a head of audit, you can send your documents to the given official email ID. So all this email ID also you can get in the description section of this video. Next, line manager required in Central Africa. Urgently looking for a line manager for Breven Industries to be based out of Central Africa. Number one, must have work experience in SITEL machine. Number two, managing shift, production, maintenance, manpower, etc. Number three, should have 5 years of experience in the beverage line. Number four, good knowledge of the beverage line. So guys, to work as a line manager, you should have the proper experience in the relevant field as per mentioned right here by the client. Then only you can apply as soon as possible by dropping your CV and all experience and qualification details to the given official email ID. Let's move to next job. Next job is e-commerce manager required in Ghana. Ghana also a country belongs to Africa. So if you are eligible to work as a e-commerce manager, then please apply as soon as possible. And let's know what is the job openings. E-commerce manager required in Ghana. Urgently looking e-commerce manager for a leading consumer durable goods company based out at Ghana. Number one, qualification should be MBA with marketing and similar professional qualification. Number two, minimum of 8 years of experience, out of which at least 5 years in similar positions in e-commerce with an electronic training organization of report. Number three, must have from consumer electronics and home appliances trading distribution background. Number four, knowledge of day-to-day management of CEHA websites, optimizing your user journeys, and aligning efforts with the digital acquisition and retention teams using data and other engagement tools to brief optimizations and achieve to the objectives of the role. This is all about the skills requirements to apply for this job. If you're really eligible for this job, then you can apply as soon as possible by dropping your CV and all related documents to the given official email ID. Next, plant head required in Ethiopia. Ethiopia is also an African country. So guys, if you are really eligible for this job to apply as a looking for head of plant in Ethiopia, then you can apply as soon as possible. And I can tell you this is a good opportunity. So guys, don't miss this chance. To apply as a head of plant in Ethiopia, you should have the PE mechanical or B Tech mechanical qualifications and you should have the relevant experience minimum of 80 years as per mentioned right here. If you are really eligible and if you have the relevant experience, then you can apply through this official email ID. So let's move to next job. Next job, I already told you, head of plant and regional sales manager required in Nigeria. So guys, urgently looking for a regional sales manager for leading beverage group to be based out of at Nigeria. The incumbents must have work experience in mineral water, good work exposure to the beverage industry. Interested candidate can send their CV to the given official email ID. So guys, don't be late. Apply as soon as possible if you are really eligible for this job. Next, modern trade manager required in Central Africa. Urgently looking for modern trade key account manager for FMCG group to be based out at DRC Congo. So guys, Congo is a African country also. So if you have food and beverage or FMCG related experience, then please focus these informations. Number one, modern trade manager, location DRC Congo, Central Africa. Qualification should be MBA sales and marketing. Must have work experience in the retail distribution industry. Should have minimum of 5 years of experience in the same field. Key business account manager is the first point of contact to a new potential client will have with the company when they are seeking information on the company and the services. So if you are interested to apply, then you can apply as soon as possible by this official email ID. So guys, today in this video I already shared few job openings from African country. If you are really interested to move Africa then with a job, then please apply as soon as possible. So let me tell you again what is the job profiles, which is urgent requirements from Africa. Number one, sales manager. Number two, head of audit. Number three, line manager. Number four, e-commerce manager. Number five, plant of head. Number six, regional sales manager. Number seven, modern trade manager. And this is the urgent job vacancies. You have to apply as soon as possible. So guys, I hope this information will be helpful for your careers. Please share this information to your friends and relatives. Of course, it will be a valuable information if you are looking for a abroad job. So guys, I hope it will be great benefit for you. So please apply as soon as possible. If you want to read all these informations, then please move to descriptions below this video. All information is there and read it again, and for which job you are eligible as per your profile, you can apply as soon as possible through the official email ID given below. So guys, lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video till the end. In the next video, of course, we will discuss about job openings from other countries. Up to that, stay with this channel. God bless you. Best of luck.